Hey everyone! About a month ago, I got a few things in the mail, and I figured I should open the packages in front of the camera to show you guys what I got. So here's a sort of montage of me opening the boxes. Let's take a look at this cool new stuff. Okay, so let's start with the smaller package first. Here, and this is from USA Airbrush Supply. Let me try this cutter. There we go. So this is an actual purchase, unlike the next package. And here we go. Newspaper, and the fun stuff. So this is a set of Badger's Model Flex paints. So these are all acrylic and gloss paints. You got green, this is green, dark green, gloss red, white, blue, green, yellow and brown. So looking forward to trying these out. And this is the more exciting thing I bought. It comes in this pretty cool case. It's my new airbrush. It comes with three bottles of timeless primer, gray, white and black, a hose which I needed anyway, a new hose for my airbrush, instruction guide, and the actual brush. Comes in this sort of foam here. It has an exposed needle, so I'll have to get used to this rubber cap. Don't want to mess that up. Yeah, it looks great, and I'm looking forward to trying it out. So that's the first package. Next, a bigger box, and this is all prices from ZakuAurelius. He did a live stream a few weeks ago, or a month, I can't remember. His crazy one-day build, a 19-hour long live stream where he built and painted a kit from start to finish in one sitting. And he'll do like a round of questions, like a question every 2 hours or something. And I happened to win one prize set, so here's my free stuff. How does this work? No, oh, here. Okay. Look what's on the top. This Chinese writing practice book thingy. And that was a fun moment of the live stream because he opened one of the boxes to show what the prices were, and there was this box which nobody knew where it came from, and the chat went crazy, and they wanted it to be part of the prize set. So I won this amazing book. Pretty random and pretty nice. So next, this figurized standard Ace Force kit, which I'm not familiar with, but it looks pretty cool. Oh, and there's these free things too. I forgot these were included. There's the G-frame Gundam F91. Looks great. Not into figures, so I don't know much about these, but they look great. And extra weapons. Yeah. And an action frame. Oh, I kinda get how these work now. Oh, this looks great. And I'm a big fan of the F91. One of my favorite Gundams. I'm not a Grand Suit guy, but when it comes to Gundams, the F91 is my favorite. And speaking of favorites, you guys know I love the gun cannon, so got the Converge gun cannon mass production type. Love it. Pretty cool. And then the assembled what is it? Ace Force. I forgot the name. Ace Force kit. I really had no idea what these were before getting this one. This gun looks cool. Cool. The details are incredible. Really nice. I'll take a closer look later while we move to the next item, which is the Aegis Knight. Aegis Knight from Build Divers Revive. Already built and reviewed this kit on his channel, so no need to go through all the snap fitting process. Nice kit, really nice kit. Nice proportions. And there's the instruction manual for that here as well. Sweet. So there's an action base one clear. Nice. We only have one action base 2, I think. And we don't use it that much, but since this one is clear, it will look better for flying poses than a solid, completely opaque base. And then there's a big guy. Oh, this is big. The Devil Arts Providence version Sun. I think that's the name. Oh, this is big. Comes with waterslide decals, a sizable sheet. 4 stickers too. Really nice. Manual looks like a magazine. Looks like a good kit. Again, this is another kit I'm not familiar with, but judging by the details and the quality of the plastic in general, like at first glance, looks decent. Really good surface detail. Really nice. And look at the size of these parts. For a high grade guy like me, this is impressive. Really cool. Really nice. So that's all for these 2 boxes. Okay, switching back to voiceover because I didn't talk to the camera for some reason while opening this package. So my airbrush isn't the only thing I'm upgrading on my airbrushing setup. I also got this moisture trap with a built-in regulator, which will help me control better the air pressure coming out of my compressor. Nothing too crazy, but it's a vital tool considering how humid Uruguay is, and I don't want any air humidity messing up my paint jobs. I got this off the Latin American equivalent of eBay, so the shipping was pretty cheap and fast, no major headaches like when ordering from abroad. At the time of recording this voiceover, I've just sent it back to the seller because it was a faulty item. It was leaking air from everywhere, so hopefully I'll get a new one for free. Moving on to something much more exciting than a moisture trap, here's my new air compressor. Now I'm very happy with this purchase because it's a massive upgrade from my previous one. I have been using a Chinese mini compressor for more than 4 years now, so yeah, I desperately needed to change it. This one's much higher quality and it has a tank, which means I can paint without necessarily making a lot of noise, plus I can play around with pressure much more. I can't wait to start painting models with my new airbrushing setup. If everything goes well with the moisture trap issue, I should be spraying paint again soon. But yeah, that's all for this multi-unboxing. Happy modeling!